Hello everyone. Today I am here to present sustainable PP compound in automotive sector. Sustainability is necessity in today's time due to increasing environmental challenges day by day. And in automotive sector, there is an initiative which we can take through the process of recycling and managing waste, or even utilizing the disposed material of automotive sector into virgin material, or we can design material in such a way that material will be easy to recycle. Examples: we can design mold and color material. This type of material can be easy recycled as compared to painted material part. In this way, we will create and balance the uses of plastic in automotive sector. It will help us to move towards the greener future and implement sustainable process in automotive manufacturing. Well, before I start the session, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kunika Garg. I joined Mitsui Prime ACI in year 2024 in Sales and Marketing Department. I have completed my bachelor's and master's in literature from Indraprastha College, Delhi University. I am keenly interested in reading and traveling. This will be the agenda for today's session. I will be briefing about introduction of PP compound. After this, we will discuss regulation for sustainability, and then I will discuss about sustainability and circular economy. I will be covering about ACI product which will offer sustainable solutions. Sustainable raw materials ACI focus on. Then I will be briefing about the properties that our MIC stands for, mold and color material, provide to our customer to their desired performance. MIC for interior applications, MIC for exterior application. Then I will discuss impact on GHG generation to ACI solutions, impact on greenhouse gas with regular PP and ACI solutions for reduction of carbon emission by using our non-painted material to avoid painting as much as possible. At last, I will discuss about EOL management and future plans of sustainability, where I will explain process of PCR plus ELV, and after that I will share few plans of sustainability. Moving forward, I would like to introduce my company as Mitsui Prime Advanced Composite India Private Limited. It is also known as ACI in short form. Our head office and factory are in Neemrana, Rajasthan. ACI established in July 2007 and its production started in Q2 2009. Our shareholders are Mitsui Chemicals with 71% of shares in ACI. Prime Polymer have 20% of shares and others have 9% of shares in ACI. And Prime manages PP automotive business globally on behalf of MCI. We are one of the largest PP automotive material suppliers. In ACI, total capacity is 58,000 tonnes per year, including affiliated consignment factories. ACI total on-roll employees are 107 in numbers, and whereas 123 numbers belongs to third-party workers. Mitsui Prime ACI have all necessary certifications to fulfill the criteria of automotive sector like ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949, and ISO 45001. As represented in map, ACI manufacturing plant and head office is in Neemrana, and affiliate consignment factory in Gujarat. Our corporate office located in Gurugram, and another sales technical services office is in Pune. Mitsui Prime ACI is manufacturer of PP compound for exterior and interior plastic applications in a car. Material used for parts like front bumper, rear bumper, wheel arch, side trims, and cowl top are the examples of exterior parts. An instrumental panel, door trims, pillar trims, and other trims are the example of interior, where ACI material is being used. In this picture, the various parts are example of use case, and ACI contribute to broader lightweighting and recycling needs of industry. So start with the introduction of PP compound. Polypropylene compounds are thermoplastic material made by blending base PP resin with various additives, fillers, and pigment to meet application requirement. PP compound have numerous uses in automotive sectors in various applications like bumper, IP, door trim, pillar, dashboard, etc. In automotive sector, PP compound at a large scale as it is cost effective and easy to process. To enhance PP compound property, we add different additives, fillers, pigment, etc. so that we can achieve desired property required for automotive sector. Now we move forward to define sustainability and circular economy, as today's discussion is based on sustainability in PP compound sector. So Brundtland Commission in 1987 defined sustainability as meeting society's present needs without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. The three pillars for sustainability are environmental, social, and economic developments. All three aspects are being considered during the product development by Mitsui Prime ACI. Here, I will explain linear economy and circular economy. Linear model is an old economy model where resources are taken for manufacturing, used and disposed as a waste lead to higher greenhouse gas emission. This approach is convenient but generates a lot of waste and pollution. In the linear economy, we used more natural resources, which could be a worse scenario for our future generation. But the circular economy aims to minimize waste and encourage us for continuous reuse of depleting resources. The goal is to eliminate waste and reduce uses of natural resources. So ACI is working on the structure in circular economy. The resources are taken for the manufacturing, used, and the waste is recycled in certain percentage to make new products. This system aims to minimize the waste and continuously use of the depleting resources. Even this linear structure is easily adopted in PP compound field as compared to other material, like in engineering material, it is not that easy to convert. Now, I will explain why in today's time everyone focus on sustainability. So, as we all knew that we are facing climate change and resource depletion on high scale. So, overall sustainability is not a task, but it's necessity. So, every industry will provide their efforts and maintain some rules to work on sustainability structure. So, government circulates some policies and rules to the reduction of carbon dioxide. And even Indian government planned to zero carbon emission by 2070. Extended producers' responsibility is a policy approach where producers are given significant responsibility for the disposal of post-consumer products. Carbon emission regulations. India has several carbon emissions regulations and initiatives aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emission and promoting sustainability. Purpose is improve energy efficiency in large industries. India is developing a domestic carbon market to allow carbon credit trading under the Energy Conservation Act Amendment 2022 to reduce carbon emission as much as possible. Market demand for green products. Green products are items that are environmentally friendly and cause minimal harm to the planet during their production, use or disposal. They are designed to reduce pollution, conserve resources and support sustainable living. Example, recycled products or biodegradable products, etc. REACH and ROHS are two major environmental compliances regulations that control hazardous substances in products. Aim of these compliances are to ensure safe use of chemicals and protect human health and environment. Recently, European regulatory decided to use 25% of recycled material in automotive PP plastic parts. Aim is to reduce extraction of natural resources. Same policy is expected to be implemented in India also. So moving forward and keeping sustainability in mind, ACI focus on developing the material which fulfills the demand of customer, even though ACI material is supports the structure of sustainability. Our focus on mold in color products to eliminate the need to painting, and second is use end-of-life vehicle scrap for new or virgin products. ACI next focus is to develop material by using PCR material and providing lightweight material to the OEMs for part manufacturing. As we are working on mold in color process, here we are explaining the process of painted to non-painted procedure. In painted part manufacturing process, the PP granules are injected as molded parts, and during inspection, some parts get rejected. Later, surface treatment primer coat application, base coat application, and clear coat application is done over the part, and during inspection, several parts get rejected as a process defect, where in non-painted part manufacturing, rejection get reduced by elimination of painting process, which is a major cause of wastage generation. So, the important part is to meet appearance and performance of the part close to painted part. As I explained the process painted to mold in color, here I will explain the properties of ACI MIC material for interior applications. So, ACI MIC eliminates the need of painting, which support the process of recycling, and as it is MIC material, so the process efficiency is higher as the few procedures are cut down as it does not require paint. Even it provides better color appearance and consistency at part level and supports sustainability. Here, I will explain the properties of ACI MIC material for exterior applications. Our MIC material provides glossy surface which enhance overall vehicle appearance, and even our material impact is high, which usually customer demand for. ACI MIC supports shorter cycle time during recycling process, and it meets industry requirement as well. Now, I am going to share some of the properties which make our product distinguish from generic PP compound. Properties are melt flow rate, which is 27, which represent excellent process. Flexural modulus is approx 1805, which indicates material stiffness and resistance to bending. Chapi impact strength at 23 degrees Celsius is 42 and at -30 is 4, which is quite suitable for automotive exterior application. Specifically, we can say for bumper. HDT is 103. It shows product can withstand at higher temperatures without deformation. This property sheet is one of the examples. However, we can develop wide range of properties based on customer requirement. We used ISO and ASTM method for testing of our products. Method is being used as per customer requirement. Next is for exterior application low density bumper and its properties which define it as unique products in the industry. Properties are melt flow rate, which is 34, which represents excellent process. Flexural modulus is approx 1646, which indicates material stiffness and resistance to bending. Chapi impact strength at 23 degrees Celsius is 50 and at -30 is 5, which is quite suitable for automotive exterior application. Specifically, we can say in low density bumper. HDT is 96. It shows product can withstand at high temperature without color fading. This property sheet is also one of the example of low density bumper. However, we can develop material as per customer shared spec. Next is regular PP impact on greenhouse gases generation and ACI material with the various of solution towards it. With ACI solution towards GHG reduction, we will discuss now 4 ways how ACI material will be a solution as compared to PP. Regular material hinders carbon neutrality targets, whereas by using ACI MIC new material, GHG can be reduced by 13%. Regular PP has high cycle time and process efficiency is lower as compared to ACI new product, and rejection percentage of ACI new product is lower as compared to regular PP. ACI new MIC material reduce reasonable cost at part level, and where regular PP include high painting cost and high cycle time of painting. Density of ACI new material is 4 to 10% lesser than regular PP compound, means consumption of our new material reduced by 4 to 10% at product level. so it will reduce GHG generation. End-of-life vehicles and post-consumer recycled material are key components of end-of-life management. ELV aims to reduce the environmental impact of vehicles which they are no longer usable and reach the end of their life cycle. Post-consumer recycled material is that material which has been used and discarded by the consumers, then collected, cleaned, and processed to be reused in new products. Here, at the right side, we can check cycle of ELV material and PCR material uses. PP compounders make FG and provide material to part manufacturer OEMs to manufacturing the desired part or vehicles. These cars parts are being sold out by car dealers and used by consumers. RSVP or scrap vendors collect used car accidental vehicles from market once life cycle of product is over. Scrap vendors segregate desired material from used cars or accidental cars and convert them into recycled material. And these recycled material are used by PP compounders at a certain percentage to produce finished goods. This kind of cycle reduces consumption of natural resources by 25% approximately. Here is an example of a grade where ACI developed a recycled grade with 15% PCR material and 15% ELV material. The application is door trim, and specialty about this recycled product is high MFR and low specific gravity. We achieved all the desired properties of the customer like high flexural modulus, ISO impact on -30 degree and high HDT value. And at last, we will discuss about future of sustainability. As you know, Indian government targeting zero carbon emission by 2070. So recycled material uses will increase in future to save our natural resources. We are expecting to increase uses of bio-based raw material. These bio-based material break down naturally in the environment depending on type and conditions. It will help in reducing plastic pollution and landfill waste. New PP compounds are designed with low density and low process cycle time, which help to reduce greenhouse gases emission by certain amount. Nowadays, we are designing low density material to produce lightweight parts for automotive sector. It will lead to reduction in uses of natural resources. And lightweight will increase fuel efficiency of a vehicle. Hope this presentation have enough insights of ACI role to make sustainable products. These sustainable products can save natural resources for future generation and will meet society's current need. Thank you for your time and attention. Let's collaborate, innovate and build the future with innovative products. For further details, you can reach us at